Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the best friend emojis on the Snapchat application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the chat option next to the map button at the bottom of the screen. And here tap to the three dot at the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can find the last option, the customized best friend emojis. And here you can find different best friend type. For example, click to the BFF, the second option, and here you can select an author emoji, and just click one and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.